We're gonna have a party tonight. I'm gonna find you that he feels the love tonight. I'll be lucky, maybe this time.
And singer Matt Henry MBE. Legendary star of stage and screen, Sir Derek Jacobi. We have actor, comedian, presenter and writer Stephen Mangan. We have actor, broadcaster, writer, comedian and faithful Sir Stephen Fry. And we have fellow faithful, award-winning British actress and best-selling author Celia Imrie.
Yeah!
Good evening, Covent Garden.